Hi everyone, I found this rare Akai cassette deck from the eBay. It's very excellent, and I was looking for it for some time, especially because this was produced in 1986, but this was the only cassette deck they offer the random program feature basically. So you have uh, 12 groups and you can program each key for any song you wanted to play, and after programming you just press one button and then that song a cassette will go forward and find that song and play for you. Of course it has a Dolby BNC, and it has a very nice display, a double cassette, and it has a dubbing speed normal and double. So if you wanted to dub from one cassette to another copy, then it can be on double speed also with that. That was also very nice. And it's a two-head system, very good mechanism. Basically they use the same mechanism few of the Nakamichi they did. It has a headphone out also and microphone in with the recording level for each left and right, uh, and the buttons are feather touch, and they are on the 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 cassette dock basically where you place the cassette. So to program, these are the two functions to program these 12 keys basically, and that it's very easy to set up and input and you do it. I mean, you can imagine now we have a streaming facilities and music on our fingertips, but when we were on the cassettes like this, and then you have to forward and reverse to find your favorite song and to play it, and some they were offering the replay also, and this features it was quite state of the art basically. And at the same time they used the HT heads, Akai HT heads. They were used in the GXE models uh, of the Akai, which have the long lasting life basically. They don't go bad at all. All you need to do, you have to uh, just clean them now and then with uh, some little bit of alcohol, and that will be fine. And also it has a very good system to scan the intro. So if there is a intro on the head of the song, it can scan it, and if you want it to blank it, if you can use it, then it just skip the intro and it just play directly where the music starts. So very nice features in this cassette deck of 1986. And the deck 2 basically is equipped with the auto mute function that allows you to create a space between song of approximately 4 seconds. So that applies when you are dubbing your favorite song. For example, you wanted to create a cassette with your favorite songs. So when you dub one song, before it record the second song, this the tape 2 automatically forwards 4 seconds ahead the tape to create a blank space for the next song. uh, 4 seconds between the track is the industry standard basically. They still use on the CDs, and also they were using in the phonograph and the cassettes also. So that features is automatically built in, so you don't need to worry about. That's also very good feature. Many people and audio lovers, they were using this one for dubbing purpose and creating their favorite music on one cassette. and some of radio DJs before they were making a program up front, and they record on the cassette and they go in radio station and play the cassette. That's how the program will go on air, most of the pre-recorded programs. So those presenters, they were using this in 1986 and onwards, because this gave you a lot of flexibility. And counter is digital, green, nice green. Okay, this is the afternoon here. I hope you can see it, but in the darker environment it's very beautiful. You have here counter reset. This is for the timer, the count of play. You can select the beeps on and off, and here you have the peak indicator. In the LEDs, when the music plays, you can see over there. So it's not only a state of the art in 1986 with the top-notch technology Akai used in it, with a lot of features, but also they made very beautiful, you know. So if you see, it looks quite futuristic in 1986. So we're gonna do now just to play some music on both tapes, so we can see that how this performs. I'm amplifying this cassette player with a Denon AVR 1513. So you see, this is the forward, reverse, smooth, and the play button. Nice analog sound. I like it. Now we play the next trick on the tape 2, and this is the auto mute function which you can use while the recording. You have to press once, then it will automatically make the gap of 4 seconds between each track. You can go to the next track. Nice analog sound, very nice analog sound reproduction by the Akai. So I hope you like this video about this vintage Akai cassette tape player, and please let me know about your input regarding the features and regarding this particular model of Akai. I catch you on the next one. Thank you for supporting my channel, really appreciate it. All the best until next time. Bye bye.